Good night, teacher. This is my English job. While real education. My name is Gustavo Zuluaga Alzate. I am from Philadelphia, North Caldas. I work in the teaching department with the Secretary of Education of Caldas. I studied agronomic engineering. Later, I studied postgraduate studies specialization in educational management, and I am currently studying the third semester of master's degree in pedagogy. Success is more than just accumulation of material wealth. I believe that success is not a destination, but a never-ending journey in self-exploration. It's unlocking your true potential to make your life itself a work of art. Success has more than one dimension to it. Acquiring material is not the only one. To what degree have you conquered yourself and achieved liberation from wanting and needing things is another indicator of success. Education plays an important role in the fulfillment of the person and in the improvement of the standard of living. It also helps to create awareness and hence all kinds of skill in the person, projecting in the social environment and preparing it for working life. Education helps us to be critical thinkers, researchers, and change our way of life. Thank you, thank you very much.